Hello guys! Welcome back again to my mother's channel. Today is August 15th and I am now 5 months old. I just wake up. This is my face. Stop eating your hands. Allah, nashuko. Ay! Good morning! Good morning, anak! 5 months na si baby and last Wednesday, nagpa-immunize kami ni mama and the baby weighs 6.1 kilograms. Yay! Wow! Ang ganda naman ng iyong pajama, anak. Mama just purchased me my first Bible story, so we're going to read this one. Let's read the Bible story. Noah's Ark. Long, long ago, when the world was still new. That's Noah's Ark, baby. Noah was glad that he and his family would be saved from the flood. Noah knew it. Found that you don't want to listen, While Mama is reading Bible stories to the baby is not happy at all. He is like crying and crying. Look at that! He's washing his face. Oh, yes. During the last month, yung mga natutunan ni baby is that marunong na siyang mag ganun. Ang ingay-ingay niya na bear. Baby is with his father. Pinalitan na ng diaper at ng bagong shorts yung baby sa kanyang papa kasi naliligo pa si mother dear. Nagalit na. Alright, magbibihis muna si mama kasi magtatrabaho pa si father dear. One more time. Tingnan nyo, nakatulog na yung batang makulit. Gusto niya kasi i-dance-dance pa siya ni mama. Ilalagay natin to ngayon sa duyan niya. Sana hindi magising. Tingnan nyo ang daming scratches ng mukha niya, day. Kasi yung nails niya, kahit na nail cutter ko, sugat pa rin. Tapos ayaw ko na siya lagyan ng mittens kasi malaki na. Ayan, nagsusugat pa rin, oh. Nail cutter natin to ulit. Mata na ang baby dear. Na siya ka-ati-atsyang.
So, yun, Yaya Achang.
Yaya Achang. Maligo naman ni Good. Maligo na ikaw. Maligo na ikaw. Oh. Nanood siya ng kanyang laptop. Baba, tata. Natulog na kay Ate Achang. Say hi to my vlog, Ate Achang.
Ay, vlog.
Shy type si Ate Achang, bay. While watching Korean. Kararating lang ni Mama from Gaisano Mall to buy some diapers for me. Ako, iyak-iyak ako kanina. Ngayon, happy na ako kasi nakatutoy na ako. Hello, I'm 5 months. Hindi naman ako binilhan ni Mama ng cake. O mag-pictorial na tayo! We are preparing for baby's photo shoot. Ganyan yung pormahan natin dyan at dito natin ilalagay si baby at yung susuotin niya today is this one, yung parang rockstar. And then I'm gonna get some shoes at bihisa na natin ng ating Junakis. May kagat ng mosquito, day, oh. Bakit nakagatan ng mosquito yung bata? Laki-laki ng tiyan, oh. Pero gwapo yan, be. Oh, Gwapo. Gwapo. Ang pangit, day. Ang pangit. Ano bang gagawin ko dito? 5 na ba yan? Let's see. Oh my God. It's not 5. I changed my mind kasi pangit kasi yung parang blanket lang kasi tinest ko siya sa camera. It doesn't look good. Yan na lang yung nilagay ko. Nabili ko to sa Shopee. Hindi ko pa sana siya gustong tanggalin pero ayan, natanggal ko na siya. Dalawa to actually. This one, which is ayan, may abacus yan sa likod. This one is meron alphabets na magnets and numbers as well. Ito naman is wala siyang ABC or mga alphabet. Puro mga numbers and shapes and Meron din siyang tangram. This one is much bigger compare to that one, as you can see. And meron din itong parang clock sa likod. We're going to start our photo shoot na, okay? Hi to the world! I'm 5 months old. Chok, 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 chok. Ismail, ikaw. Ismail. 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 Ado. During his 4 months, nag-develop na siya ng teeth, pero hindi pa siya masyadong makita. Hindi masyadong feeling bibo tong batang to. Nung nag-start na yung teeth, palaging nagpapakarga. Just hindi naman siya ganon, but it's fine. This one is our setup. Camera check muna tayo. Yan ang ating model. Let's start our photo shoot na. Smiley boy! Wait, no hands. Okay, smile! HG at 5 months. Oh! Atos Gino, naunsa naman tao niya akong gipicturan, oy! Yung ating pong subject, yung ating model, ayaw na po. Ay, sorry. Nagising ko tuloy yung butchiki ko, eh. Nakatulog na siya. Ate Inday yung naghatid sa kanya dito. Kasi karga-karga siya ni Ate Inday kanina. At dahil tulog yung baby, gumawa tayo ng mga makubuluhang bagay. Kagaya ng pagbabasa ng libro or linis-linis. Sino yan? Hard po yan na tagabantay ni baby. Sir, kumusta naman po ang pagbabantay sa baby, sir? Magkano po sahod niyo, sir? Nagbabantay po talaga kayo, sir. Los. Nagbabantay ba siya na? We're gonna sleep na. It's almost 6 p.m. Baka magising na kami tomorrow. So we're just going to end this vlog.